Sequencing a single gene. Yes.
Like what a waste retrospectively, at least for those who were spending PhDs in structural biology right before the whole field got solved by AlphaFold 3, arguably. Now you can just do it overnight, and we saw an entire discipline get solved by AI. So I think AlphaFold 3 in particular is a template for what we're going to see everywhere else. Whole disciplines are just going to get solved.
Yeah, the numbers here are impressive, right? So AlphaFold has enabled a database of 240 million protein structures that have been accessed by 3.3 million users in 190 countries. I remember when I was in medical school, we used to talk about the supercomputing problem of the future is being able to predict the folding of a protein from an amino acid sequence. And we always used to talk about what would it take, how much computing, when would it be done? And extraordinary that Demis and the team did it.
I think two things here. One is, I think this speaks to the incredible ability of AI to solve these, what we thought was intractable problems with having to throw so much compute at it, and just solves it. So it goes to Alex's inner loop thing. The second point I'll make is, if you've not seen the documentary, The Thinking Game, which lays out the arc of the timeline of all of this and goes into detail into how they went about doing it, it's just unbelievable. Go watch it.
Yeah. Again, this is
maybe
the...
just a postscript on this, if I may. This was also like the protein folding problem was supposed to be one of the killer apps for quantum computing and quantum simulation.
Yes.
And AlphaFold, in addition to everything else that it revolutionized, I would say also was a nail in the coffin of many expectations for what the killer app for quantum computing would look like. And we need to find something better.
Amazing. I'm going to cover this article very quickly just because it's an important, I talk about that when people go through Fountain Life, we discover that 3.2%, that's the number based upon the populations we processed, have a cancer they don't know about, which is problematic. And it turns out that 70% of the cancers that kill people are not the cancers we routinely test for. So you're not dying from typically breast or prostate or colon, because we can test for those. It's the ones we don't test for. It's pancreatic, it's glioblastoma, it's ovarian cancers. And a lot of times, I think of pancreatic cancer as a death sentence. So those who have had pancreatic cancer in their family, and it's an important article to hear. So it looks like scientists have developed a one-product-fit-all immunotherapy for pancreatic cancer. This is out of UCLA, a new off-the-shelf therapy that can attack pancreatic cancer even after it spreads. Engineered CAR-NKT, these are natural killer cells, made from donor cells, costing only $5,000 per dose, right, which is an incredibly small price tag for a cancer therapeutic. The cells
I think, Peter, the only thing I'm sorry, please go ahead.
Yeah, go ahead. No, I'll just say that the cells can reach and infiltrate through tumors in the pancreas, liver, and lungs. So please, Naveen.
I was simply going to say that, Peter, this is so close to home because I lost my dad to stage 4 pancreatic cancer. And I'm just so happy to tell you that in the next 3 months, we are launching a stage 1 pancreatic cancer test. This is a complete game changer.
At Viome. At Viome.
Stage one pancreatic cancer test with 94% specificity and 84% sensitivity.
Amazing. Yeah. I mean, the best way to cure it is to find it at the beginning.
Early testing.
Yeah, and Naveen, what other forms of cancer has Viome been able to detect through the massive data sets you're collecting?
So we started with oral cancer, throat cancer, and now we have pancreatic cancer. We have the thing for IBD. And next thing is we're just validating a test with the Scripps research for colon polyps.